Assalamualaikum
Warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh. Today we're going to do a presentation about Windows 11 OS. Let me introduce our team. My name is Muhammad Aryaputra Adji.
My name is Kurnianto Hiyriyawan.
My name is Akhdan Khairu Nabiha.
What is operating system? Operating system, or OS, is a set of special programs which people can pick over according to people's style that coordinates the use of the hardware among the heterogeneous system programs and application programs for various users. In other words, operating system is the medium between a user, a computer software, and a computer hardware. The simple function of the operating system is to provide an environment in which a user can operate programs conveniently and efficiently. There are some examples of operating system or OS. 1. Android. Android is an open source software stack for a wide range of devices led by Google. 2. Linux. Linux is one type of computer operating system that is open source software and more user-friendly, both in terms of interface appearance and operation. 3. macOS. macOS is a proprietary graphical operating system developed and marketed by Apple Inc. It is the primary operating system for Apple's Mac computers. What is hardware? Before that, I want to explain why hardware. Because in our topic, Windows 11 OS, there are some minimum computer specification requirements that related to hardware. Hardware is physical components of a computer such as CPU or central processing unit or processor, the unit which performs most of the processing like all types of data inside a computer. RAM or random access memory, superfast and temporary data storage space that a computer needs to access right now or in the next few moments. Storage, component of your computer that allows you to store and access data on a long-term basis. TPM or Trusted Platform Module, a computer chip or crypto processor designed to secure hardware. GPU or Graphics Processing Unit, a specialized processor originally designed to accelerate graphics rendering. And display or screen, computer output surface and projecting mechanism that shows text and often graphic images to the computer user.
Hi everyone, and here I want to tell you about Microsoft Corporation. Microsoft Corporation, or better known as Microsoft, was founded on April 4, 1975 by Bill Gates and Paul Allen. Until now, count that Microsoft has had the age of 45 years. Its good quality and trust make the Microsoft name increasingly popular. Microsoft worldwide popularity has made the team founders' name no less popular. In fact, Bill Gates and Paul Allen are often used as role model by people in the world. Among the many computer software that Microsoft has produced, Windows is the most popular, where all devices that use Windows operating system are one package with the one of Microsoft Office. Microsoft also introduced its internet browser, namely Explorer and Edge Web. Based on its popularity and very high revenue from its software product, Microsoft is touted as the best software company in the world. Now, I want to tell you about Windows 11. Let me introducing Windows 11 Beta. Windows 11 is an OS product released by Microsoft that will replace Windows 10. The system is most up-to-date version from Microsoft since they last launched Windows 10 in 2015. Microsoft said that UI and several new features in the OS are aimed at the increasing the productivity of modern workers, where the collaboration process is mostly done from home. There are some computer specification requirements for Windows 11 Beta OS CPU. System on chip or 65-bit CPU with 2 cores, RAM 4 GB, storage 64 GB, system firmware Wi-Fi support secure boot, TPM Trusted Platform Module, version 2.0. CPU support DirectX 12 for letter and VGDM 2.0 driver. Display screen larger than 9 inch with HD resolution supporting 8 bit per second color system. Other requirements internet connection, and Microsoft account. Now I want to tell you about Windows 11 Beta OS feature. Number 1, new MacBook Inspire UI. Windows 11 Beta presents a user interface UI that is pleasing to the eye and modern with software and fresher feel. The biggest change I've noticed is the new positioning of the text bar with the start menu. Number 2, universal media control. And this Windows 11 Beta can control all media playback on PC from Action Center. Everything appears and it is clear what is being played. This Windows 11 Beta can play random to video, favorite songs on Spotify, or video store on PC, and they will all be displayed in Action Center. Number 3, new Microsoft Store. Windows 11 Beta comes with a new Microsoft Store. It's built that way, and is now capable of running a wide variety of applications from multiple platforms. Number 4, Android apps and Amazon App Store. Windows can now run Android apps and the default to Windows 11 Beta can also sideload applications that want to run on PC. Number 5, widgets. The new Windows 11 Beta comes with widgets and is very similar to what it looks like at the Mac OS. Now can see weather, news, stock price, score in widget section, and can also customize the widget section and give it a personal touch. Number 6, Auto HDR and Gaming Dynamic Refresh Rate. With Windows 11 Beta, Microsoft announced the Auto HDR feature on its new platform. This feature will enhance the viewing experience while playing games. Furthermore, Windows 11 Beta also comes with support for dynamic refresh rate. Number 7, File Explorer redesign. Windows 11 Beta comes with a new modern-looking and redesigned File Explorer. It comes with a new modern icons, a context menu, a new comment bar at the top. The new design also focuses on functionality and how it's easy to make file management. Number 8, faster Windows updates. Sorry, I don't have a picture of it, so I just explanation. During the announcement, Microsoft promised that Windows 11 Beta would offer a much faster and smoother update process. Windows 11 Beta comes with a support for the background installation mechanism, making updates faster than ever. In addition, the new update will be 40% smaller than before, saving user data and time. Number 9, integrate Microsoft Teams. After years of working from home, Microsoft has decided to integrate the Teams apps into Windows 11 Beta. Teams will be integrated directly into the text bar for easier access. Number 10, improve virtual desktop support. Windows 11 Beta makes an access virtual desktop easier, just like Mac OS. Now Windows can access the virtual desktop grid by clicking on the desktop icon on the taskbar. Windows can also rename or erase desktop on a PC. Apart from that, Windows can also set different wallpaper on different desktops.
Before starting, keep in mind that this Windows 11 Beta contains a lot of bugs that can damage the device. That's why Microsoft recommends installing the beta version on secondary device or virtual machine to avoid data loss and worse. Also, it's a good idea to back up important data before updating. Don't forget to make sure your device supports Windows 11 Beta. List of windows inside the preview program. First, how to go to setting, then update and security, and then windows inside the program. Second, press start follow the auto by pressing register. Third, select sign up, then check the option if read and accept the terms of this agreement follow writer by pressing submit. Fourth, click the link and account option, enter Microsoft account. There will be several insider options. Select the channel if you want to get early version of Windows 11 Beta. After selling, press confirm. Next, press restart now. And also register via the Microsoft site by clicking this. Windows 11 will be officially announced by Microsoft in October 2021. Of course, it has many advantages and disadvantages that some readers might not know. Here are the advantages and disadvantages of Windows 11 Beta. Advantage 1. Decent view. Compared to previous version, namely Windows 10, the design is very similar to the Mac OS X and Linux operating system. The Windows 11 Beta Start menu button is also there by default now in the middle. 2. Setting menu display. In the new setting menu, Windows 11 Beta has more concise and elegant look. The settings menu is lined up neatly on the left and right, make it easier for the user to more quickly access the feature they want to ask. 3. Snapless feature. The snapless feature of Windows 11 Beta is very helpful for users in managing multiple windows while multitasking or doing multiple jobs at the same time, so that users no longer need to manually manage many windows because they have been created automatically by a team of Microsoft developers. 4. Auto HDR mode feature. The Auto HDR mode feature in Windows 11 Beta is a great for gamers who have monitors with built HDR feature. Display in the game will be more realistic and pleasing to the eye. 5. Direct Save feature. This technology was also adopted from the Xbox Series X console. The direct storage feature is useful for maximizing the speed of NVMe SSDs, accelerating of game loading, and also increasing the frame rate or FPS in games. 6. Security enhancement. Minimum specification to run Windows 11 Beta require one of the features that must exist on the PC or laptop, namely TPM 2.0. Disadvantage 1. Higher minimum specification. When users try to check if our PC or laptop support Windows 11 Beta, there are several system and feature requirements that must be met, some of which may be the PC or laptop this user is using, some of which do not pass the minimum requirement to run Windows 11 Beta.
Here, me and my partner would like to provide conclusion and suggestion. First, the conclusion. Overall, in terms of appearance, this OS is very similar to macOS, although it is a present in a typical Microsoft style. But at first glance, it does look like similar. But of course, that's not a drawback, because after all, for Windows OS user who have long wanted to experience a new experience, then Windows 11 Beta provides a number of experiences that might indeed to be looking for. Besides that, the license and application support itself seem pretty good and doesn't burden user. And it is like this. Then maybe author can say Windows 11 is ready for user to use in less than a year. And that it will be continued by my partner suggestion.
Suggestion. The author hopes to be careful in installing Windows 11 Beta because if installed from an unclear source, the worst possibility is that the file download contains dangerous files that can be used by hackers to attack the security of user computer or laptop data, or it could be data. The data on the computer or laptop disappears. It's best to download it to the flash disk first.
Any question?
And that's how we can say. If there are any mistake, please forgive us. Wassalamualaikum
Wassalamualaikum
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.